Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, you will learn how to do frequency distributions for quantitative but in a discrete type of variable. So let's look at these examples. Here's the example. The number of hours 10 college students said they sleep per night is given below. And then it says construct a frequency distribution. So because it's so few and it's finite, we're going to do not a group frequency, but just single unique frequencies. So the first student said they slept 10, the next 8, 6, and so on. So let's copy this data and take it to our Google Colab. So let's import NumPy. Now let's put our data, it's in parentheses, and then open and close bracket. Now it's listed nicely. We don't need to put it in single quotation mark. These are integers. And now we're going to call our NumPy a function called unique. And we're going to provide, it's going to give it that it's going to find the unique values in X. And then we're going to ask it to return. So return counts. As you can see, Google provides hints here, return counts, and we're going to say true, which means we wanted it to give us back. But what we'll do is we will, the two values, them again, val, it's going to be value, any letter, or V, and then the frequencies or the counts, let's them call them FRE. So what it will do is that NumPy will go to this list, and then it will first list all the unique values, and then it will count how many of each. And then, so if we just run this program here, it will not give us the values because the values are saved in val and free. And then we can print both of them, right? We can say print val, and then on a new line, print frequencies. That way we can see the output. So now the values are 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and their corresponding frequencies are 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. I think this is clear enough that there were 3 students slept for 5 hours, and then one student slept for 6 hours, and so on. So this should be enough to give us the frequency table. But if we want them in a much easier way to read, we can define a list here, and we're going to first zip the values of val, comma, and frequency. And now if we list these values, on the list table, it is in a slightly better format. So if we run this now, the first two are the values and the frequencies, but the last one, it pairs them up. So 5 has a frequency of 3, which means 3 students slept 5 hours. 6 has a frequency of 1, which means 1 student slept for 6 hours, and so on. And then here, 2 students slept 8 hours, 1 student slept 9 hours, and then 3 students slept 10 hours. So in either case, you have each unique value and its corresponding frequency or counts.